Okay, guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the outline that will be due next week before your conference time. And I wanted to show you a student sample. So this student actually did the term thick. So just to explain, you don't have to be very detailed. I just want an idea of where you're going with this. So the students out there are going to talk about ideal beauty and their hook or attention grabber. So this is all in the introductory paragraph or paragraphs. In the thesis, everyone's going to have the same one. This term has evolved from something negative to positive, or you can flip it something positive to negative, but that's it. Okay, everyone's going to have the relatively the same thesis. And then this student is going to examine the actual dictionary definition. She gave Merriam the transition, things like then, soon, just as, nevertheless. She talked about how being skinny was in, and you can explore this through Urban Dictionary, song, social media, and article. Examples she gave were ads, models, and the term heroin chic that she's going to develop. In the third part of this, she is going to talk about how it became something positive or the ideal beauty. So she's going to give examples like Lizzo, Meghan Trainor, and an article from the Daily Mail. The conclusion is there, and then I asked that you make predictions. So she said, I think this is going to be admired. And honestly, that's all that I need in step 1 of your outline to give you appropriate feedback. And the rest of the process will be explained too. So thank you for that.